Would you trade your $2,000 apartment for this $9,500 pod? People already are. It runs on solar, has AI, and it's so cheap some are living rent-free. Forever. But what Elon's team is testing now, that part no one was supposed to know about. Stick around. We'll show you the Mars-ready prototype they're keeping hidden, for now. Remember when Elon revealed the Tesla motorhome for under $17,000? It stunned the world, offering futuristic travel and off-grid living in one sleek unit. But now, something new is quietly being rolled out. And it doesn't move. It doesn't need to. It's a structure designed to stay put, to replace apartments, to be lived in. And what makes it so insane is how little it costs. At just $9,500, this compact structure offers something no modern city can: privacy, freedom, and full independence. And with whispers of a secret version built for survival in space or climate disaster zones, this story goes deeper than just real estate. Let's get into it. So what exactly is this so-called smart cabin? It's a prefabricated micro-home designed to operate entirely off-grid. Think of it like a hyper-efficient space capsule, except made for Earth. You get a climate-controlled sleeping pod, a kitchenette with automated inventory, a composting or vacuum-sealed toilet, smart glass windows, and energy-optimizing insulation. All of it is powered by solar, with battery storage that can last 2 days off sunlight alone. The design is sleek, all matte surfaces, no wasted space, no decorative fluff. It's meant to live in, not impress guests. And yet it still does impress, with fold-out furniture, modular shelves, and seamless digital integration. Reports suggest the development involves ex-SpaceX engineers who helped build the Crew Dragon's life support interface. And the build process? It's idiot-proof. The unit ships in 3 modular boxes. Using pre-locked magnetic seals and hinge-folding walls, it assembles like a life-sized Lego kit. 2 people, 6 hours, no crane. It's plug-and-play housing, no concrete, no contractors, no permit delays. And the price tag? Just under $9,500. For context, the average cost of a down payment in California is over $60,000. This is a rounding error by comparison. Let's talk about why people are abandoning traditional apartments. Monthly rent is spiraling out of control. In cities like New York, San Francisco, or Toronto, a 1-bedroom apartment can easily eat up 60 to 80% of someone's income. Utilities, parking, internet, maintenance fees. It never ends. Now imagine instead, you buy a small patch of land, or even just use your backyard, and drop one of these cabins on it. You pay once and never again. Your roof collects solar energy. Your walls trap heat. Your home is smarter than most luxury condos. This isn't some fringe fantasy. It's happening. Entire communities are forming around this tech. Off-grid cabin villages in Arizona, smart pod suburbs in Nevada, backyard ADUs in Los Angeles, earning $100 per night on Airbnb. One former NYC resident documented how he sold everything, bought 2 acres outside Austin, and installed 2 smart cabins, one to live in, one to rent. He now makes $1,800 per month in passive income while living rent-free. And the best part? He's off-grid. The water, the power, even the internet, all self-contained. So when a power outage hit nearby last summer, he didn't even notice. That's the kind of freedom these smart cabins offer. Not just financial, but physical, emotional, environmental. It's no longer about downsizing. It's about reclaiming control. You'd expect something under $10,000 to feel like a glorified storage unit, right? Wrong. Inside, every square foot is meticulously optimized. You're greeted by warm-toned lighting that adjusts based on time of day. Sunrise mode in the morning. Focus mode in the afternoon. Sunset wind down after dark. The bed folds seamlessly into the wall and reveals a full work-from-home setup, complete with wireless charging, an adjustable desk, and built-in Bluetooth speakers. The kitchenette is compact but powerful. AI-tracked food storage knows what you're running low on. It syncs to your phone or watch and can auto-order supplies. A 2-burner induction cooktop uses minimal energy and has safety shutoffs built in. Water is captured and recycled. Gray water from your sink and shower runs through a charcoal filter, then a UV sterilizer. There's even a low-energy heated towel bar. Because yes, comfort still matters. The entire space is monitored by sensors. Air quality, humidity, CO2 levels, energy draw, all constantly balanced by the onboard AI. It's like having a silent home assistant that optimizes your environment 24/7 without you lifting a finger. This isn't just efficient. It's peaceful. This is where things get wild. These cabins are built to survive nearly anything. The Tesla Powerwall Mini stores enough energy to power the entire unit. Lights, cooking, heating, internet, for 48 straight hours. And it charges fully off a single day of sun. The Starlink system is fully embedded, not bolted on. The rooftop dome is aerodynamic and coated in weather-resistant smart glass. Signal drops? Not an issue. The walls are 3D printed with a foam resin mix designed to insulate, absorb sound, and withstand minor seismic activity. Smart windows auto-adjust to sunlight, UV, and ambient temperature. The water heater uses battery-backed instant heat coils. It's smaller than a shoebox and sits under the sink. If you needed to, you could unplug from the grid and live off the land tomorrow. This cabin isn't just futuristic, it's disaster-ready, and it can be moved. If your location becomes uninhabitable, you hitch it to a trailer and go. Mobility, autonomy, safety. That's the trifecta this tech delivers. Now let's talk about the secret version. Leaked permits in Nevada list a cabin variant with environmental pressurization systems, electromagnetic shielding, radiation-absorbent polymers. Sound familiar? These are the same specs proposed in early Mars habitat designs. Elon Musk once joked that the first Martians would live in modified Teslas. Maybe it wasn't a joke. An internal code name, Terrapod Beta, has shown up in 2 different aerospace supplier databases. Whistleblowers claim one unit is already built and being tested at Starbase, hidden behind solar panel stacks. It's designed to operate indefinitely in extreme climates. Think Mars, or Earth after a megastorm. And it includes one wild addition, a low-frequency EM field generator designed to block solar radiation. If true, this would be the first civilian-use habitat to mimic magnetosphere shielding. So while everyone thinks this is just another tiny house fad, it might actually be a planetary survival test. And if that's what Elon's quietly preparing for, you have to ask, what does he know that we don't? This isn't just the future of housing. It might be the future of survival. A 9,500 pod, designed for off-grid living, urban escape, or maybe even planetary relocation. If you thought the $17,000 Tesla motorhome was game-changing, this makes it look like version 1.0. Want to see where it all began? Click now to watch our full breakdown of Elon's motorhome. You won't believe what's coming next.